In this video, I'll show you how to find the area of an irregular shape in AutoCAD using the hatch command in a simple and practical way. Start by going to the Home tab and selecting the hatch tool, or simply type hatch ATCH into the command line for quicker access. Once activated, click inside the closed irregular shape to apply the hatch pattern. It's very important that the boundaries are fully connected, otherwise AutoCAD may calculate the area incorrectly or fail to hatch the shape altogether. After the hatch is created, select it and open the Properties panel, where you'll find the area value automatically calculated for you. This method is especially useful for architects, engineers, and designers who regularly work with complex layouts and need fast measurements. You can also customize hatch patterns and transparency to improve visibility while working on crowded drawings. Taking time to clean up gaps and overlaps before hatching can save you from inaccurate results later. Overall, it's one of the fastest ways to measure irregular spaces accurately in AutoCAD. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you design smarter and work more efficiently.